Want to learn how to make your own CBD oil at home? It's easier than you think. I'll show you how to do it in a few simple steps. First, you'll need CBD flowers, a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil, a saucepan, a strainer, and an airtight jar. Make sure your CBD flowers are top quality, like those you can find at CBD-CERTIFIED.com. The first step is to decarboxylate your CBD flowers. This means heating the flowers to activate the cannabinoids. Place your crushed flowers in the oven at 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Once your flowers are ready, mix them with the carrier oil in a saucepan. Heat gently for 2 to 3 hours, making sure not to let the mixture boil. This allows the cannabinoids to infuse into the oil. Next, strain the mixture through a sieve or cheesecloth to separate the oil from the flowers. Transfer the oil to an airtight jar and store it in a cool, dark place. And there you have it, your own homemade CBD oil. If you're looking for high-quality CBD products or more tips, head to CBD-Certified.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and see you soon for more tips.